The other one did not last, not even a day. But this is the only thing that I saw. All right, I like it a little bit as far as presentation and packaging. Right. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So it feels, please do not look at my dirty nails. But anyway, it feels like, you definitely know it's plastic. It's almost like, well, I don't know. I used to play with Barbies for quite some time growing up. And it's almost like when you just got a new Barbie doll. It's like that one. But it's nice. It's not bad, you know. I think this one would work a little bit better. And it looks like you have, ooh, that's cool. Charge it up like that. Ooh. I like the transparency right there. Like, make me feel like I work for Apple or something, and I'm opening devices, looking at the technical, like I'm looking at a graphics card or something. Like, yeah, let me imagine, you know. Einstein said imagination is more important than knowledge, right? So yeah, this is very cool. I think I will have this one forever. Alrighty, so I'll come back and I'll let you know how it sounds when I put it together. That's pretty cool when you just slide this right in there. Look at this. That is so cool. I really like that. Slip it out. Slip it out. No extra earbuds or anything like that, or whatever you call these guys right here. And look how it looks on the inside of that. Nice and, yeah, not bad. If you can see that. Yeah. That's cool. But I feel like, okay, obviously it takes this right here. That sort of looks like the iPhone port. Yeah, so it doesn't come with that. Oh, it may be inside of here. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is definitely my favorite one. Oh, that's so cool. It reminds me of a yo-yo now. Without the string.